Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your Bitcoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe and go to this website link available in description. Click claim. Solve this captcha first of all. Okay, it's a line. Just click the line available in this all picture and just click verify. Then solve this captcha is 7921 and just put your username, faucetpay username. How you can find your username? Go to here, go to in this 3 dash and just go to account setting. This is your username, found it, and come here, put your username. Okay, and after putting your username, just click get reward, and this website send you your satoshi instantly to your faucetpay. You can see 4 satoshi send me in my faucetpay, and every 3 minutes I come back and claim again. I go to user dashboard and come down in your use. You can see 4 satoshis and minutes to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.